Whether you are implementing a new distribution center or resetting a current one, you will want to partner with a team of experts who understand all aspects of rack label production and installation. Working with us, you receive experienced, single-source management of the entire process, from start to finish. Since no two warehouses are alike, we begin with an analysis of your facility's needs and requirements, developing a customized solution to maximize productivity without disrupting your existing workflow. Our experienced staff and cost-effective production process ensures your warehouse labels, signs, and placards are designed, produced, and installed accurately, efficiently, and on schedule. Our team will meet with your staff, exploring your unique needs, and works closely with you to develop a custom solution. From small centers to mammoth distribution facilities, we understand warehouse complexities and what is required to keep operations running smoothly. Every label and sign are designed just for you. By considering your inventory system, automation, scanning needs, rack angles, and mounting methods, we ensure you receive a superior labeling solution. Signs often play a key role in distribution operations. We produce a wide variety of custom signs for every application. Whether you need hanging signs or ones for marking aisles or dock doors, our solutions are custom designed to your specifications, both indoors and outside. Your warehouse storage location data is the lifeline of your center and can be very complex. For this reason, we work closely with you to ensure you approve all data file layouts before we begin production. Once the data is formatted, you receive scannable proofs of all labels and signs for you to test in your distribution environment. Our goal is to provide perfect label and sign sequencing. Once final designs are approved and the data is finalized, we produce your custom labels, signs, and placards. Whether there is a need for auto-reflective stock for long-distance scanning, color-coded labels, large numbering, or unique barcodes, you receive a personalized solution. During all phases of the project, our on-site engineers work closely as a team to install the labels and signs with a high level of quality and minimal impact on your operations. Our lead manager stays in constant communication with your team to keep the project on time and within budget. For your next warehouse project, let us show you how our team will make the process go smoothly in a cost-effective manner. Allow us to be your guide through every part of the process, no matter what the size or complexity. You can count on us to deliver superior results, guaranteed. Contact us today and let's get started.